RiKhasi ka Southrik unai lur aja arpo kladan ka jelang joka Shillong All Faith Forum baru Chief Secretary ka jela UMS Rao Iakren Halor ka Jingplie ki Jaka mani Blei. UMS Rao haba Iakren bikla pathai khubor ulai thu bahagani ka jelang bar ka Shillong All Faith Forum kila Iakren Halor ka Jingpan kala khindiat ika SOP na ka barim. UMS Rao la pentebru bayakini baro ke sabishar bha bar ke Iakynduh biang hadian line saus ni barha ka ke Iakynduh ke sepen biang lut ya baro ke junan kam na do ki SOP bar ka rai jo ke Jingplie ki Jaka mani Blei. La ban pen kirmao ba ka sarkar jila ka nyu tarek man tau banai kala thau ke joint committee ban par khad ke Jingplie ye ki Jaka mani Blei.
Preliminary discussion, they have shared some their documents requesting for certain minor changes to the SOP that was earlier published. So now we'll examine that and get back to them. We'll be meeting again another 2-3 days. We'll finalize it within this week.
So does the SOP include like increasing the number of people?
No. They have stuck to that number of 50 or 1/3 capacity, whichever is lower. So we are not proposing any increase in the number, not as of now.
But if we look at the situation, we don't see that any cases are below 100 active cases every day. It's always above 100. So what are the chances that these religious places will open? Because you said, as it was mentioned, that it will depend on the situation.
Yeah. No, right now we are finalizing the SOP. Tentatively, in the meeting chaired by Honorable Chief Minister some time back, it was agreed that we'll open in October, first week of October, but it was tentatively agreed. So we'll see the situation in the last week of September and then take a final call.